Libra, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is the manifestation of light. You have a great idea. This is Lord God, Spirit, Universe, Source, Strength is saying that your great idea, your bright idea, the light bulb that came so bright or went off in your head, put it to work. Make sure that you put some walk behind that talk. Make sure that you do all the things that can bring it to fruition, bring it to the 3D. I see the beauty within me and your intellect. I grow and develop my inner self in harmony with light and beauty. I free myself from negativity. Therefore, with your intelligence and with your bright ideas, your heart transforms into something beautiful and invites all the people in your community to come to you for support. My intellect shines because you're a genius, and my inner light grows. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too. And shine, baby, shine.